What's up, guys? I am super excited today because I get to ride this board from Miles Board called the Phantom. This thing's gonna be fun. This board is supposed to be able to go 30 miles. All right, see if I can top it out. Yeah! Oh, getting it. Yeah! I've got a little bit of an uphill and I'm still going like 27-ish. So that was my longest ride I've ever done on an electric skateboard. So I got 26.6 miles. And the way I like to do my range tests is actually go ride it like I like to ride a board. So my average speed was 18.2 miles an hour. My top speed was 27.8 miles an hour. So I was going fast. I still got 26.6 miles of range out of this board. And I know I could get that 30, 100%. I bet I could get 35 miles out of it. And I'll review a little bit more about each part of the board and let you guys know what I think of it. But overall, my initial impressions are it's fast, it's powerful, it's basically silent, so rad, and really, really, really great range. I'd highly consider this if you're looking for a short board.